If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's Kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we're gonna be making Biri Ladoo. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are: take some cloves and one black cardamom and make a powder of it, from which we need about a teaspoon of that. Then take 3/4 cup of urad dal and blend to make a fine powder, as much as you can. Then 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, 1/4 cup of clarified butter or ghee, and half a teaspoon of salt. Now take a pan and in that first add all the ghee, followed by the powdered urad dal, the clove and cardamom powder, and the salt. Now combine these really well and roast this on medium flame for roughly about 7 to 8 minutes until the mixture turns little dark color. Then transfer this to a bowl and let it cool down completely. And after about half an hour, to the bowl add all the powdered sugar and with hand combine these really well. Then take a small portion like this and tightly squeeze it and shape it like a ball, and it should be done. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad, Biri Ladoo. So do try this at home and share your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.